Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So today we are here for grade 9 maths. The chapter today we discuss that is polynomial. And here are the lesson that is polynomial vocabulary. Model the polynomial with algebra tiles. Multiply the polynomials and multiply two binomials. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using their email and the passwords that are provided by the administrator. Go to the subject tab, select maths from there. Scroll down to the grade 9. View all chapters. So we are on the last chapter, that is the polynomials. Let's start the very first lesson of the polynomials, that is polynomial vocabulary. I was just checking my mic and everything, okay? So find the number of terms in this polynomial. So look at here. We are just going to check it out. How many number of terms in this polynomial? You want to find how many terms in this polynomial. So the term being added or subtracted are k cube, then minus 2k square, then 10k, and then 3. So how many total terms are there? These are the total 4 terms. So we can say that this is 4. So find the number of terms in this polynomial. So this is 2f power 4. So this is only one term here. Find the number of terms in this polynomial. So let's just count it out. This is minus 5u power 5 plus 3u4 plus 3u cube minus 8u square plus 4u. So how many total in it? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the terms are expressions or number that are added or subtracted. If they're talking about the terms, like how many terms in it, so what you basically count, because terms are the expressions. These are some expressions or these are the numbers. Sometime may be added or sometime may be subtracted. Okay. For example, if I'm going to write it here like minus 4x power 4 minus 3x power cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 5. So these are the, if they are talking about the terms. So terms are the expressions or the numbers that are added or subtracted. So how many terms in it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the total term in this polynomial is 5. Okay, so this is basically the polynomial. Let's do the test. Find the number of terms and the degree of this polynomial. Okay, let me tell you what is the meaning of the degree as well. So, for example, if they are talking about what is the degree of the polynomial, so here we're gonna finding it out how to find the degree of polynomials. Okay, so look at here about the degree. So the degree of the polynomial is the highest of the degrees of the polynomials. Okay, like for example, if in the question that is, let's suppose there is only like x power 4. So this 4 is your degree. Understand? Let's suppose like if this is one expression, then if here is some more expression to 5 power x minus 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 5. So what is the degree of this polynomial? So you check what is the highest degree. So highest degree is 5. So you can say that it's a 5. Let's suppose if there is only like here 9 and they're saying that what is the degree of this? So this is 0. These are all the terms and these are all the conditions I'm going to write it. Okay. This is the first condition. Second condition, if one variable with the degrees available, if some digits are involved, if some constants are involved. Now the fourth condition is a very important condition. If the two variables are involved, like for example x square y cube plus 6x power 4 plus y power 1. So what is the degree of this? We are going to add both the x and y degrees. The greater degree of x and the greater degree of, this is a basically degree of x and degree of y. Let's suppose this is 2 and then 3. These two are multiplied, so we are going to count these two. And if you are going to count the degree of this thing, so we are just checking it out, it's a 5. Add up. Okay. So what is the basically degree of the polynomials? The highest sum of exponents of any monomials of the polynomials. So the degree of the given polynomials are this. Okay. Understood? This is basically the thing. These are the four conditions to finding it out the degree of the polynomials. First condition, second, third, and fourth. I'm going to repeat it again. First of all, what are the terms? Terms are basically the numbers and expressions and the numbers that are basically we are going to check in the polynomials. Okay. Now if they're talking about the degree is basically the highest sum of exponents. Okay, for any, you can say that any one monomials of the polynomials. There are some examples for the finding the degree of the polynomials. Here, if only the one variable of is available, then you can say that x power 4, so the 4 is the highest exponent here. If this expression is involved, then you can say that a 5. If some constant, so the constant have no degree, so you can say that a 0. And if the two variables are involved like x and y, so you are just going to add up these two and then writing it out here answer. This is basically the thing for finding it out the degree of the polynomials. Now let's check. Here is 2m power 8. So how many number of terms? First, how many number of expressions or number of basically terms are here? This is 1. And how many degrees? This is 8. Degrees 8 here. Okay. Find the number of terms in this polynomial. So tell me how many number of terms in this one? So how many number of terms in this one? Minus 4 and x. It's only one term. So you are putting 1. Find the number of terms in this polynomial. This is only again the 1. Find the number of terms. This is 1. That is only 2n. Then how many? Find the number of terms in it. Let's count the number of terms. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it's 5. Okay. Find the degree of this polynomial. What is the degree of this one? It's only minus 2 and v. Okay. Check it out. It's only minus 2 and v. Degree is 1 here. Okay. Because the degree is the highest. You can say that sum of the exponent or highest power, that is 1 here. Let's see. Yes, this is the right answer. Okay. How many number of terms? It's 1, 2, and 3. Now, what is the degree of this polynomial? Now, you guys think about it and then tell me the answer in the chat. What is the degree of the highest degree of this polynomial? It's minus 9z power 7 plus 3z5 minus 7z cube and plus 7. So you check it out. What is the highest of this degree here? So you check it out. What is the highest of this here? It's 7. Okay. You are not going to add up all of it now. You are just going to check, look, it's 9 z7 power plus 3 z power 5 minus 7 z power 3 and plus 7. Okay, so the greater degree is here 7, so you're going to put it 7 here. All right, find the number of terms in this polynomial 1, 2 and 3. So there are total 3. So hope you guys understand this lesson. So in this lesson we just only discuss what is basically the terms meaning and what is basically the meaning of the degree of the polynomials. Okay, so these two things we covered in this lesson basically. Okay, what is basically the term and what is the basically, you can say that term or a polynomial degree. Okay, this is the way that, and here are the 4 examples to finding it out the degree of this one. Okay, these are the 4 examples for that. Now let's do the next lesson. So you practice this lesson and solve the rest of the test questions by yourself. So the next lesson is model the polynomials with algebra tiles. So here, what expression does this set of algebra tiles represent? Look, this is some x square terms, some x terms, and then it's some one with it involved. Okay, so how many x square terms? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6x square, how many x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8, 8x. And how many 1 that are 4? So you're putting 6x square plus 8x plus 4. That's it. This is basically the expression from the tiles. Okay. All right. If I'm going to write it here, if I'm going to write here the tiles, okay, and then just put it down here. So now how can we count these one? First of all, check how many x square are here. There are 3x squares. How many x are there? There are 4x. How many 1 are here? There are 3. So you just write it down. 3x square plus 4x plus 3. And this is the expression of the polynomial. If we can say that how many terms? There are 3 terms. What is the degree? This is 2. Understand this thing? This is the way that we are using the tiles to finding it out the polynomials degree and the thing that is here. Okay. Okay, let's do one more example for that. So here I'm going to write. Now you guys tell me the answer of this, okay? So here I'm going to put Now you guys tell me the answer of this. So how can we write this one? How can we write the answer of this thing? So first of all, just count it. First of all, we are going to count which thing. We are going to count it here. How many x cube? There are 4x cube. Okay, look. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many x squares? 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 5. 5x squares plus 5x squares. Then plus how many x? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5x. And how many? 1? Only 3. Now, if we are talking about like this is the polynomial, what is the how many terms in it? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 terms. And what is the degree? This is 1. This is the degree 3. That is a greater than 3. Okay. This is the way that we are going to solve these questions. Okay. Let's do the test questions now. Now you guys tell me the answer of this. What expression does this set of algebra tiles represent? There are two x square terms are here and two x are here. And there are how many one that are 4 1. So check which answer is right here. Option A or option B? It's 2x square plus 2x and plus 4. Okay, that is the option B. Alright, so here we go with the option B. That is the right answer. Now write the expression does this set of the algebra tiles represent. There are only x and 1 involved now. So let's see if the x and 1 are involved. So how many x are there and how many 1 are there? There are 5x there. So it's x power 5 or you are going to multiply 5 with the x. And it is same in both of it. You guys think about it and then I will tell you the answer of this question. Where we put the 5 on the basically as the power, or you are going to put it with the base. So how many x are there? There are 5x. It's not the power of 5. Okay, so you are not going to put the x power. So x power 5, 5x and time plus 8. Okay, now you guys tell me the answer of this one. How many x squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10x square. Is there any option for 10x square? Yes. How many x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6x and 5. Okay. This is the option A. In this way, we are going to solve these questions. Hope you guys understand this lesson. This is a very easy lesson as well. Okay. So you practice the lesson and then you solve the rest of the test questions regarding this lesson by yourself. Multiply the polynomials. Now here let's do the multiplication of this. Okay, and then we're going to check like how to multiply this one and then finally we write the answer. 4z minus 1 and 2z minus 4. So look, if you have a question like this way, first of all, you're going to multiply this first digit with both of it. Okay. So 4 times 2 is 8. Now look, this z is multiplication here. If you have some number of multiplication, so that become the square of this term. Okay. So z times z is z square. This is the first term. Now the second term, there is minus sign, putting minus sign. 4z with the 4. 4 times 4 is 16. That is putting here 16 and z as it is. Now what we do? Multiply the second digit with these both of it. Okay. Now multiply with this 1, both of it. There is minus sign here. So minus 1 times 2z is 2z. Minus minus becomes plus. 4 times 1 is 4. Now 8z square as it is. This is minus and minus. If there are two minus sign, that becomes plus. So 16 plus 2 is 18z. But which sign you put with it? The sign with the greater number. So the greater number is negative sign. So you are going to put it here negative and plus 4 as it is. This is your answer. Okay. Now let's do the next. For example, here is the question that is given. Minus 7 is multiply. F terms are involved. Minus f cube plus 4f square minus 2f minus 8. So how can we multiply and how can we write our answer? Let's do it. So check it out here. Minus 7 with minus f cube. Minus minus becomes, first of all, this one minus minus becomes plus 7f cube. Minus plus is this one and this one now. Minus plus is minus 7 times 4 is 28 f square. Now this minus and minus becomes plus. 7 times 2 is 14f. Now this minus and minus again plus. 7 times 8 is 56. This is the way that we're going to multiply. Now there is one more other way. Like if some minus 2x is multiply minus x cube minus 2x square minus 8x minus 10. Now how can we multiply these digits? This is the minus and this is the minus sign. Okay. So minus minus becomes plus 2 as it is. X and x becomes x4. Powers are added. Here is power of 1 x and here is power of 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Now move to the next. Minus minus become plus. 2 times 2 is 4. Power is also 3. Minus minus plus 8 times 2 is 16. This is x power 1 and there is x power 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then minus minus become plus. 10 times 2 is 20 and x as it is. This is the answer of that. Here are the three other ways, one way and two way that we are getting the answers. Okay. Let's suppose taking some another question as well. If for example two digits are same, like minus 2x multiply with minus 2x. So minus minus becomes plus. 2 times 2 is 4 x square. X are also power also added to 1 power. 2 times 2, these variables constants are multiplied with each other. Okay. Minus minus becomes plus for that. Now let's do the test questions. So we are already finding it out this one. 2 times 2 is 4. R times R is R square. So Q plus 2 whole square. There is a proper formula. It's A plus B whole square, which is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, for example, this is A and this is your B. So first A square, then it's B square, then plus 2A and B. Open this and solve it, and then tell me the final answer for that. This is A square plus 4 Q square plus 4Q plus 4. That is the answer. Q square plus 4Q plus 4. Okay. Now 3A minus 4 and A minus 3 multiplication. Three A minus 4 and A minus 3. 3A minus 4 and then A minus 3. First of all, multiply this 3A with both of it. So 3A with the A, then 3A with the 3. Okay. This one and then with this one. 3A times A is 3 as it is. This power is 1. This power is 1. That becomes A square. 3A with the 3 minus sign as it is. 3 times 3 is 9 and A is as it is. Now come move to the next 4. Multiply with this and then with this. 4 with the A, that is minus 4A as it is. Minus minus become plus. 4 times 3 is 12. 3A square minus minus become plus. So 9 plus 4 is, that is 13A. And which sign you put with it? Negative sign, because the greater number has negative sign, and plus 12 as it is. 3A square minus 13A plus 12. Okay. 3A square minus 13A plus 12. Find the product, simplify your answer. Multiply 9 with the inside of this. Let's do it. Minus 9 multiply with 4J square minus 2J. So multiply. First of all, we are going to multiply this 9 with the first one, then multiply this 9 with the second one. So 9 with the 4, when you're going to multiply, what's the answer? 36. Here is negative sign, here is plus sign, so minus plus is minus, and J square as it is. Now look at here the signs, this sign and this sign. So we can say that these are the signs are involved. So minus minus becomes plus. 9 times 2 is 18 and J as it is. Okay, let's check. Minus 36 J square plus 18J. It's plus 18J. Now this one, let's solve together. Minus T square, again minus T square plus 3T plus 3. minus t square plus 3t minus 3. Okay, now multiply. First of all, multiply this minus t square with this one, then with this one, and then with this one. Okay, so first of all, minus minus becomes plus t square and t square. This is t2 times t square. We are not putting 2t square, no, just adding their power, that is 4. So here is t power 4, and then minus plus becomes minus 3. Now t power 2 and then t power 1, that is t power 3. Then minus minus becomes plus, this becomes 3t square, and that is the answer. Let's see. T4 minus 3t cube plus 3t square. Is that the answer? Both are same here. Both the options are same. Only just here it's not like putting, they are just putting plus minus together. P minus 4 whole square. Let's do it. So look at here. There is a proper formula here. A minus B whole square, which is equals to A square plus B square minus 2AB. So now P is your A. P square plus 4 square minus 2A and B. It's P square minus 8P plus 16. P square minus 8P plus 16. Hope you understand this formula. This is for the plus sign formula. Okay, I'm going to write it. And if this thing is given, so the formula is like this way. Okay, these are the three formulas you are going to write down, and it will help you later. Okay, 9f plus 3f cube 4. Let's see. 9f 3f power 4. Multiply constant with constant, variable with variable. And how to multiply the variable? Adding their powers. 9 times 3 is 27, and this power is 1, this power is 4. F as it is 4 plus 1 is 5. Powers are not multiplied, powers are added. Okay, 27f power 5. Now just multiply this one. 4a plus 1. Let's do it. 4a plus 1 minus 3a square minus 4a minus 3a square minus 4a plus 3. So first multiply 4a with all of it. 4 times 3 is 12, minus sign as it is. A, there is power 1, there is power 2, so 1 plus 2 is 3. Minus sign 4 times 4 is 16, a power 1 and a power 1, that becomes a power 2. Plus 4 times 3 is 12, and then a is as it is. Okay. Now with the 1, plus minus minus 3a square plus minus minus 4a. Plus plus is plus, and 3 times 1 is 3. Combine the square terms together, constant terms, and then check. Is there any cube term here? Only one. Minus 12a cube. Now check, is there square terms? Yes. Minus 16a square, minus 3a square. So minus minus become plus, and putting the sign with the greater number. Greater number is negative sign, so I'm putting negative sign here. 16 plus 3 is 19a square. Now 12a and minus 4a, plus minus is minus, but putting the sign with the greater number, that is plus sign. So 12 minus 4 is 8a, and then plus 3. This is your answer. Let's see. This one. Minus 12a minus 19 plus 8a and plus 3. Okay. Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. Solve the rest of the test questions by yourself. Okay. Now multiply the two binomials. Let's see this one. This is again just the same like the multiplication. Okay. 2s minus 3, 2s plus 2. Now multiply. How can we multiply these two terms? Simply multiply 2s with first of all this one and with this one. Okay. So 2 times 2 is 4s square. Power is 1, power is 1, that is added. Plus 4s. 2 times 2 is 4 and s is as it is. Then minus sign. 3 times 2 is 6s. Minus plus is minus 6. More solve because these two powers are basically equal. S and S. So plus minus minus, and this putting the sign with the greater number, and the greater number is negative sign. So it's 2s minus 6. And here is your answer. Okay, let's do one more question from here. Let's do the test questions. 2b plus 2, 4b plus 2. Okay, now let's solve together. First of all, multiply this with this one and then this with this one. 2 times 4 is 8b square plus 2 times 2 is 4b plus 2 times 4 is 8b, and then 2 times 2 is 4. Now 8b square as it is, plus signs. 8 plus 4 is 12b, and then plus 4. This is the way that you are going to multiply the terms. Okay, first we're going to multiply this with that full, then this with this one. Let's see the answer. 8b square plus 12b plus 4. Here is the answer. I just put it here plus, and then here we're gonna do the negative one. C plus 2, 2c plus 2. Let's see. C plus 2 and 2c plus 2. Multiply c with the first one, c with the second one. This become 2c square plus 2c plus 2 times 2 is 4c plus 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, now 2c square as it is. 4 times 2 is 8c plus 4. It's not multiplication, it's addition. 4 plus 2 is 6. I just put it 8 here. 2c square plus 6c plus 4. 2c square plus 6c plus 4. Here is the answer. 3j minus 1, 3j minus 3. Let's do it. 3j minus 1, 3j minus 3. Okay, do it. 3 times, first of all, this one. 3 times 3 is 9. J square, power j of 1, power j 1. Minus 3 times 3 is 9 and j is as it is. Here is the minus sign, minus 3 and j. Minus minus become plus 3. So 9j square minus minus plus and putting the negative sign with the greater number because negative sign. 9 plus 3 is 12j plus 3. Let's see. 9j square minus 12j plus 3. This is the answer. Same question, same method you follow in this one. Hope you guys understand this lesson. Solve the rest of the test questions by yourself. First you practice the lesson, then you go to the test. So now, today we are here discuss grade 9 maths. The chapter name is polynomial. Here are the list of the lessons. Polynomials vocabulary, models polynomials with algebra tiles, multiply the polynomials and multiply two binomials. Hope you guys understand this lesson. You can find all these lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using their email and the passwords that are provided by the administrator. So before starting the next session, you guys practice all these questions, all these lessons, and if you still need any help in any of the question, then you can contact tutors. How can you contact? Go to the A Plus website. There's a chat button. Open this. Select your department, maths help or language help, put in your name and then just send. In this way, you directly contact with the tutors. So for now, have a great day, you all. Bye. See you in the next session.